Hello, everybody. Hi, everybody. Jamie here. It is cocktail time with Jamie. Usually at 4 o'clock. It's a little bit later. My day has been crazy. I haven't even had time to think about what drink I'm going to be making today. So it's going to be cinnamon whiskey. I'm not sure how I'm going to do it yet. I might need some suggestions, some help. Hope everybody's having a great day. What a beautiful, beautiful day today is for February, the beginning of February. It is warm, it is beautiful, it is nice out here in Ellenville, New York. Thanks everybody for joining. Hello, Julie. I see some more people joining me. Hello, everybody. If you are watching me live, if you can put hashtag live in the comments. If you're watching on the replay, hashtag replay. If you know what to make with a cinnamon whiskey, drop a comment. If you have a favorite drink, maybe I will just go with it today and make whatever I think. So not sure what I'm gonna do. Hello Diane, hello Jason. Hi everybody, thanks. It has been one of those days. Being closed since Monday with the snow. So we were closed Monday. We are closed Tuesdays and Wednesdays. We are reopened today at Aroma Time tonight. Our grocery store is available. I have lots of groceries that are going out today. And let's see. I have. Hello. I am live. You want to say hi? Yes! So we actually had some people sitting out in the garden. So having drinks in the garden today. That's how nice it was. And they are doing well. Are we having another drink? Oh, all right. Thank you. Thanks, ladies. Tell Max I said hello. Well, I don't know what I should make today. That's my new thing. What should I make? All right. So they had a lime and thyme. They had an elderflower vodka. Elderflower vodka and tonic. So I've made those before. Maybe I'll make it again. So much stuff going on. Have a good night. Thank you. Anyway, I had some nice visitors this afternoon. My day has been nonstop. I was just telling one of my staff members, I called somebody in today because I just knew today was going to be that way. It has been that way. It's been crazy. I'm on my way to make a delivery. We have a family we have been delivering to since March. I am on my way to make that delivery as soon as I'm done with this. So I'm not going to have my cocktail until after my Facebook Live today. If you're watching me live, just give me a thumbs up so I know you're here. Give me a wave, say hello. I don't know, today is taking a really long time to join in. I will go over our special tonight. $9.99 special for the week is peel and eat shrimp. It's a Cajun shrimp with rice and broccoli. We also have our burgers tonight are $9.99. Hello Ralph, hello Katie, hello Tammy. Thanks everybody for watching me. I appreciate it. So $9.99 peel and eat shrimp, Cajun shrimp until Sunday. Super Bowl Sunday, we still have our packages available. They're awesome packages. If you do not want the whole package, we are willing to break it apart and doing whatever you'd like us to do to make your Super Bowl special. We have pretzels, we have pizzas, we have pulled pork, we have all that stuff. It took a really long time today for me to be out there, not sure why. Next week is Valentine's Day, so our Valentine's Day box will, the contents of that will come out hopefully tomorrow or by Monday. We have limited seats for Valentine's Day, so if you are interested in coming out, I definitely recommend making reservations. Let's see, what else? We have a wine dinner on Monday night, $25 for wines and a dish. $25 is a steal. It's a great dinner. It's Seneca Lake wines, so wineries that we were just at when we were up in the Finger Lakes. We have our Finger Lakes trip coming up. In March, our next trip, it will be on Keuka Lake, and we are going up next week. We're going to go check out some of the wineries that we'll be going to. We like to go check them out before we bring people to each of the wineries. So it's 2 days away. for us. Marcus and I will be up in the Finger Lakes next Tuesday and Wednesday, so that's exciting. We're bringing a staff member with us. Somebody's been working with us for 3 years, so we're excited about taking Patrick with us. Patrick and his girlfriend, we will be taking them up there with us for 2 nights, taking them to some wineries, letting them just have an awesome experience up there. So I don't know what to make tonight. What should I make? What should my drink be? Drop a comment if you know what I should be making. I have no idea.
Have you ever tried to make a fire crotch meal?
No, but I guess we could make a fire crotch mule.
We could try it now.
Yeah, why not a fire crotch mule? Give me a thumbs up if you like that idea. Fire crotch cinnamon whiskey. This is available for sale. It is $25 a bottle. It is very similar to, what's the whiskey? I don't even know the names of those whiskeys out there. What is the cinnamon whiskey? Somebody drop a comment. Jamie's Margarita, Ralph said I should make. What is the big whiskey? The spicy whiskey. The Fireball. Fireball, right? Fireball. So this is similar to Fireball, but better. Better quality, better. It's awesome stuff. So Fire Crotch Cinnamon Whiskey is a social lubricant bursting with the taste of sweet cinnamon. Man up and have a shot. Please drink responsibly and remember the carpet matches the curtains. That's pretty funny, right? Something with cream bourbon, okay? Something with cream bourbon. I can do that tomorrow. Today we are I'm going to make a mule with cinnamon whiskey. So let me grab the ingredients. I need lime. I need my copper mug. I got it right here. Here's my copper mug. I need a ginger beer. And that's all we're gonna put in there today. Let's check it out. This is Patrick's idea. Thanks, Patrick. I am going to put ice in my cup. How are you? Awesome. Look at this. Now we have somebody else showing up, bringing us stuff to taste. So 2 ounces of cinnamon whiskey, about a ½ ounce of lime, and we are going to top it off with this ginger beer. And you can get all of these ingredients here at Aroma Time, so you can make this drink at home. Tomorrow I will make something with cream bourbon. I gotta come up with a drink. So top it off. And there you go. Woo, look at that. So mix it up. And there we have our fire crotch. Woo! That's cinnamon and ginger together. Wow. All right. Ooh, that's good, Patrick.
Actually packs a punch, I'm sure.
Good idea. All right. Thanks, Ralph, for dropping that. I couldn't remember the name of it. Fireball. So, cinnamon whiskey. We have an awesome banana bourbon. If you have a drink you want to see me make, let me know. This week's $9.99 special is peel and eat shrimp. Cajun peel and eat shrimp with broccoli and rice to go. It is burger night. $9.99 burgers to go tonight. And hope everybody has an awesome Thursday. I will be back tomorrow. Thanks.